Takaful Insurance is set to gain prominence in Uganda for its offering of a fair, transparent and ethical alternative to conventional insurance, particularly in a country where some traditional models clash with Islamic values and where trust in insurance remains low.
When this regulation came up and it was approved by it was signed off by the minister and gazetted, very many people have been calling us that they want to start taking up insurance from the Takaful operators or the Islamic insurance operators. And this is going to help us first to mobilize more people to be protected. Now people's businesses, people themselves are going to be more protected because they have a provider who talks to what they need. But two, we are also going to see that the uptake of insurance has increased. As you know, insurance is one mechanism of mobilizing savings.
Identify a Takaful operator, or identify the Takaful operator or the Takaful company that has been licensed by IRA. Now, once you go there, you pay the premium. The same way the premiums are paid in the conventional system. Now, once you pay that premium, of course, there shall be some kind of arrangement, the signing of the contracts and so on. And once that money is put into that pool, that Takaful operator is going to be managing that money. But remember that you are a stakeholder in that contribution. As we have said, if he utilizes it into business and that business is halal or Sharia compliant, at the end of it, after the closure of the period of that insurance, let us say 1 year, you shall be invited so that there is clear disclosure, there is transparency, and if there is anything, maybe if that property that you have insured, maybe it had had a certain risk that you insured against, then you shall be paid in order to reinstate your earlier situation. If there was no any risk that took place, that risk that you insured against, then you shall be entitled to the surplus that is found in that pool.
Although still young in most African markets, with the right support and growing demand among the Muslim, the sector could become a key pillar of Africa's insurance landscape in years to come. Rohan Habwe, NTV Business.